Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to Modelones for sending me over this Polygel Kit, and here I'm just going to show you everything briefly what it includes. So today I will be having a polygel nail tutorial for you guys, and it's very beginner friendly, very simple and easy. I will be achieving this polygel look today by using the Modelones Polygel Kit along with doing the lazy girl method. Along with doing the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here. I like how it brought like two different types of dual forms. I won't be using those today, but I liked how there was a variety of choice along with all these other goodies. So thank you so much to Modelones for reaching out and sending me this kit. I really ended up liking it. I also appreciated the fact that it brought a lamp as well. You can never go wrong with an extra lamp. And here are the polygel colors, just a clear and a soft pink, and the clear was actually very clear indeed. So here I'm just using the AliExpress full coverage nails, and I'm also going to be applying some base coat to adhere my glitter that I did purchase through Shein, and I'll also be using base coat as a slip solution for today's video. Even though this particular polygel kit did bring a slip solution, I just prefer to work with base coat. So here I'm just grabbing the base coat and applying it onto the nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitters to my desired liking. It's like a mixed glitter. And it's really pretty. I did purchase it through Shein. It came in a pack of 6. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. Then I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp for a couple seconds just to keep it in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the polygel, which I will be using soft pink in today's video. So that is what I'll be showing you here. So my first impressions of this polygel was that it is on the softer side, so it is a soft polygel. I usually like a combination of soft and stiff, like in the middle, not too stiff and not too soft. This one in particular was a soft polygel. It was a little bit, it wasn't that it was difficult, but it was a little bit different working with it because I had never really used a soft polygel. Usually they're in between stiff and soft or just stiff. So this one definitely is a beginner friendly. Just, you know, try to calculate how much polygel you put on the nail if you're doing the lazy girl method, because sometimes it tends to like since it's really soft, it tends to just pour out of the edges of the nail when you place it on. So just keep that in mind. It did happen to me here in this particular nail look, but I did have a solution for it, and I got my nail drill and I fixed it and blended in everything, and at the end it looked really beautiful. It actually looked like an actual like polygel application if I would have used like nail tips, or like if I would have laid, let's say, an acrylic set. So it looked really nice. So yeah, shout out to Delani, because their drill is so good. It's amazing, literally, and it's really affordable compared to other nail drills. Because personally, me, I would never pay $300 to $400 for a nail drill unless they got sent to me. I would never, which those companies would never send it to me, because obviously I'm not a big YouTuber, but I'm just saying, like, out of pocket, I wouldn't pay $300 to $400 for a nail drill. So after I'm done applying all my nails, I'm just grabbing some alcohol and removing the tacky layer from the polygel nails. Next, we're going into filing. I'm using the 180 grit file that the kit came with, so I'm just going to be gently filing around and removing the tabs from the free edge of the nails, because I forgot to do that at the beginning. So that is what I'm doing here, and I hope you guys are enjoying today's tutorial. So I'm going to be answering just 2 questions that 2 people left down below in the comments for me to answer. And one person asked me, what type of design / technique is your favorite, and which was the hardest or longest to do? So my favorite technique has to be the lazy girl method, because it's really easy. I'm the type of person that I do not like spending more than 30 minutes on a set if I'm doing it on myself, especially like if I'm doing press on nails on me. I always try to find like the fastest way to get it done. Not because, I don't know, I don't like the whole idea of like I love when I watch other people and they do polygel with tips and all this stuff, or acrylic and all that. First of all, I don't even know how to do acrylic. I tried it once off camera and it was a nightmare. So I definitely have to practice that, but I'm just not the type of person that I want to take X amount of time on a video, or doing my nails. I just don't want to. So I like whatever is quick, easy, and convenient, and still looks beautiful, because you can literally do a set of press-on nails, which is another thing that I love to do, is just grabbing full coverage nails, applying polygel to them. Not polygel, I'm sorry, applying gel polish to them, seeing whatever design I'm gonna do, and that's it. Like, it's fast, quick, and easy. And over time is how you build up speed, because I did start not too long ago, almost a year ago, and you know, it just, with practice, everything just speeds up over time. So yeah, it's definitely the lazy girl method, because it makes my life a million times easier. It's super easy, anyone can achieve it. And I know a lot of people have said that they struggle with lifting and all that, but that's something that you have to do trial and error with, and you have to keep trying different primers. That's something that's very important. You have to make sure that you know how to properly prep around your cuticle area and so forth. So it's definitely all just a learning experience. I never went to a school. I never got any sort of certification or anything. I just learned on my own trial and error. I still remember the first time I applied polygel. It was terrible. It was all flooded over the cuticle. They would pop right off, because I hadn't really informed myself or done research or watched enough tutorials to test different things out and what worked best for me. But eventually I did get there, and yeah, everything's just a learning experience. So yeah, definitely the lazy girl method is my favorite technique. And I have to say, the hardest technique for me has to be polygel with tips. I absolutely hate it. Like, I do not like it at all. Like, I really don't like that method. For me personally, it's just really difficult, really hard getting the shape. It's just not for me. Maybe in the future I will decide to give it another try. I don't know. It just takes a long time. It's really annoying in my personal opinion. And another hard technique, honestly, was dip powder. At first, it was just another technique I didn't really like, until over time I got better, and then I just figured I'd do it with full cover nails and then just apply them on with either nail glue or base coat, which was even easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And that's pretty much it for that question. And the other question that I got was, how do you always find the awesome deals on Amazon? Okay, so with Amazon, thank you, by the way, for the people who left questions down below. So with Amazon, pretty much what I do, since I have Amazon Prime, which I recommend anyone who is able to get it, because I love the 1 through 2 day shipping. It is awesome. Like, literally nothing beats that. So pretty much what I do is I put nail art on the search bar, and then I go to the filters, and I put lowest price to highest price, and that's how I begin. And I just go scrolling down until I find, or like good deals. Another thing that I do is I put, I think I put nail supplies as well, and I do the same thing. I just put lowest price to highest. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I do. Or I put charms, whatever in particular that I really want to look for, that is what I do. So yeah, just put in the search engine literally nail art, and then modify it from lowest to highest, and I'm pretty sure, and I guarantee you'll find some good things there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial. That is it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that notification bell to never miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.